Okay, good evening guys. This is circuit number 5. So this is Y to Delta connection. I make this one because this is the most common circuit used for starting big motors such as in the cranes. So this starter, as we called it, is involves 1, 2, and 3 magnetic contactors and 1 timer. So same as in the reverse forward, the rules are there will be an interlock between Y and delta contactors so as to prevent them from be closed at the same time. So from line 1, there is a push button that is connected to line 1. So current from line 1 passes through the start button, goes to the stop button, and goes to this main contactor to line 2. In parallel with the main contactor, there is a timer connected from this terminal of the coil to the timer coil supply terminals to the line 2. So this timer is 220, and from line 1 there is an interlock for the delta contactor. There's a normally closed contact used to protect the circuits from being short-circuited. So from line 1, the wire comes to the terminal of the normally closed contact. Since this is normally closed, it goes to this Y contactor, and from the Y contactor it goes to the normally closed contact of the terminal. It is set at around 10 seconds, then goes to the line 2. Okay, from line 1 comes a wire that goes to this normally closed contact of the Y contactor to protect the circuit from being short-circuited. From there it goes to the magnetic coil of the delta contactors, goes to terminal of the normally open contact of the this timer. So it goes to line 2. So if you push the button, this normally open contact of the main contactor will close. If you release the button, the current goes to here, to the normally open contacts of the magnetic contactor M, goes to the stop button, and the main contactors is energized, and current divides itself and also supplies the timer T, and it is wired to the line 2. So two of these are magnetized, and the timer starts to time. And in this part of the circuit, in this section of the circuit, current flows through the normally closed contact of the delta contactor, goes to the coil of the Y contactor, and goes to the normally closed contact of the timer T, and to the line number 2. So since the timer starts to time after 10 seconds, it will open. When it opens, another normally open contact of the timer T will close, opening this the Y contactor, de-energizing it after 10 seconds. Then from line 1, current passes through the normally closed contacts of the Y contactor and goes to the magnetic coil of the delta contactors and goes to the normally open contacts T of timer T, because that's now it's time to 10 seconds, so it's closed. Then goes to the line number 2. To stop the circuit, as you stop, everything stops. Everything is de-energized. So this is a much more complicated circuit than the reverse and forward, but this is a common circuit. So we start to test. I made a mock-up, a little mock-up, and I'm trying to improve on the safety of my circuits, my test circuits. So there are the 3 contactors. One is the main contactor, this is the Y contactor, then this is the delta contactor. So as I said in the explanation of the drawing, if you put power to the circuit and press start button, 2 of the contactors will be activated. After 10 seconds, the delta contactors close and Y contactors will be open, so that remains only 2, the main and the delta. So the motor will be connected in delta, its load will be connected in delta. I will present to you one drawing for the power circuit. So if you like to stop, you have to press the red button or the stop button. So I wired it like this because this is the simplest, and I'll try to check if it's good enough, it's visible enough, because I wired it with a pencil. So guys, just to as I said, my prayer is with this I can help the others and also myself and my family.